becoming director of the gardens in Sydney was just a fantastic thing for me. I felt I'd finally had a chance to be able to spruik Botanic Gardens, to talk about all the things I loved, to be in charge of what I thought was, you know, one of the best places in the world, a Botanic Garden. Now, to have done that in Sydney, to have then gone to Kew and been part of the senior management, second in charge at Kew, and then back here in Melbourne running these Botanic Gardens, what a fantastic sort of career, and what that highlight is being able to work in Botanic Gardens at that senior level. It's just a, you know, a huge honour and really enjoyable. La Trobe University for me was a wonderful place to do a PhD. I'd done my basic studies at my degree at Melbourne, and then I saw La Trobe and I saw it as a really quite exciting new university, and there seemed to be a lot more freedom. There seemed to be a chance to do things that I wanted to do, so a project I really was passionate about and wanted to study. And I saw it as a chance to work in a younger university. I think that was appealing at the time too, one that was starting off. I was starting off as a PhD student. The university was relatively young. Botanic Gardens are becoming, I think, even more important today. They've always been important. They've been fantastic places for people to enjoy. So people love the green spaces, they love the tranquil settings, and lots of people will have come here as children, enjoyed a Botanic Garden. These days though, Botanic Gardens are as much about conserving plants, about studying plants, understanding plants, and really bringing plants to life. So it's that knowledge and information about plants, and that's important because we depend on plants. So all of life really depends on plants. You know, the air we breathe, the clothes we wear, the houses we live in, storing carbon these days. So for me, plants are absolutely fundamental. And I want people to become plant literate, if you like, to understand plants, to know how they work, so they can then make really sensible decisions. And that's what a Botanic Garden can do.